say that one.
Hello, my fellow vapors. I'm channeling the Greek today. Because I'm sitting out here, it's a nice day. It hasn't rained. Video camera's going, so I'm just going to give you, and I've been holding off doing this for so long. This is the ViVi tank. I don't even know why yet that I bought this thing. Everybody hates them. But here we go. It's from SMOK. There's their little logo. And it's a Genesis style rebuildable tank system. And I'm not exactly sure how to get it apart. I wasn't paying attention when they were teaching us how to do that in Phil Basardo's school. But I will try. Get some leverage on here. I guess you gotta take the tube off. The dog is beating the shit out of a stuffed animal over there. Oh. Okay, I already don't like this. If I'm gonna have to do this every time I want to rebuild it, this is gonna be a problem. So this is gonna be a short video. Because can you see, like, I mean, I'm gonna have to take the tube off, and it's not as simple as it looks. It actually doesn't look simple at all. The O-rings are pretty tight, so maybe I'll just fire it up. And we'll do a follow-up if I ever did try and get it off. Da, da, da. It's not all that impressive, is it? This is the factory wick. Oh, here it goes. Okay. And is there a fill hole? I don't see a fill hole. Shit. Alright. I'm going to try and get down one of these wick holes. Wow, okay. I can see why people hate this. Right off the bat, I don't even want to deal with this. I mean, how the hell do I even fill it? There's no fill hole. Is there? No. There's no fill hole. And the holes for the wick are really tight. I don't see. I'm trying to find them. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm filling it with a half-empty bottle. I'm not wasting any more juice but this. There. That'll have to do. So far nobody likes these things unless they mod them. I can understand still getting one for like $15. It will depend on how hard this is going to be to rebuild. Because with, just for instance, with my NGP, at least all this is exposed. I'm not sure why this is like this, but anyway, it's exposed so you can do that without disturbing the juice. But we'll see. I do like the way, I love this top, very classy, but let me just see. Let me see if maybe lubing it helps it in any way. Because it's really tough to get on. I'm going to lube it. Okay, better. Now I got to wipe it off. That's what shirts are for. All right. Okay, so once you get it on there, it doesn't seem to leak. I guess people said there was wicking issues because those holes are so small, but we'll see. I'll tell you, the draw is nice on it. It's a little gurgly, but that's because I get some stuff in this top chamber. We'll see how it wicks as it goes along. I'll add to the video. We'll see. I'll use it for the rest of the day. I'll be back. Greeks and Austrians. Since I have my little handy dandy meter here, I'm just gonna. This is a factory built. I have not attempted to rebuild it. And it's coming out, probably can't see that in the sun, 209. So just slightly higher than I usually go, but the taste is pretty good. Now that's, I don't know, a lot of people didn't like it fresh out of the box, so I guess I'm doing a little better than most. Maybe they've dealt with it, but those holes that the wick goes down into are really tight. So I can see myself having a problem rebuilding this, but we'll give it a hook anyway.
Sumi, don't say that word!
Fucking wildlife. Anyway, I'll cut that part out, depending on how good I looked leaping out of my chair. Anyway, so where was I? Oh.